Hey guys, welcome to Driftwood and Shine. That's a lie. Welcome to Cooking with Mammy. Welcome to Cooking with Mammy. Okay. I've got a can of cream chicken soup. We're going to make chicken delight, guys. Chicken delight. Got a can of cream of chicken soup. And I'm using Campbell's. We like to use Campbell's when we can get it. Now, sometimes we have to have Great Value or something because they're not always, don't always have it in stock. But just cream of chicken. A whole can. And you know, they used to be, let's see what it weighs now. 10.5 ounces. Used to, they were bigger. But anyhow, 10.5 ounces. You could use 2 if you chose to. You know, if you want a little bit more chicken flavor, you could use 2. But this is the most simple little recipe. Now, we call it Chicken Delight, guys. I've seen it by other names. Ours is real simple because we just have 3 ingredients. We have the 4 ingredients, I'm sorry, 4 ingredients. We have the cream of chicken soup. And I should have got my sour cream out first, but get another spatula. Then we have sour cream, and it calls for a cup. This is a 24-ounce thing, so I'm going to use about 1/3. I'm not measuring it out, but you want about 1/3, 8 ounces in here. So about 1/3 of that. Then you just mix it up. So simple, guys. This is so simple, but it is so good. So good. Then I've already got about 4 cups of chicken shred up. Now, I'm not going to put the whole 4 cups in there. I'm just going to kind of put it until I see the consistency I want. Because I want my chicken all in the stuff. You know what I mean? I want it all incorporated. So we're just going to put chicken until we think we just got enough chicken. So I'm going to say this is about, that's probably about 2 cups of chicken in there. Let's stir it up and see how much chicken we have compared to how much sauce we have. Because I think this is about good. I just don't want too much chicken. But then I don't want overly abundance of sauce either, guys. It's a play, and it's one of those feel by love things. Just how you want it. And I think I can use more chicken. It's got quite a bit of sauce right here. So I'm going to say we've got about 2.5 cups of chicken in here. 3 maybe, a little bit. But there's still quite a bit of sauce here, so I'm keeping adding chicken. So I'm saying we're up to 3 cups, probably. 2.5 to 3 cups. You could measure it out, guys. But you just cook by, okay, let me just show you. Cook by consistency. And see how you can, it's all creamy looking. That's what you want. You don't want it to where it looks mostly chicken. You don't want that. You want it to where it's still creamy. Won't make it a mess. I am a messy cook. My mama always said I was a messy cook. I'm going to stir this around a little bit more and make sure that I got as much chicken as I want in there now. Because I'm thinking I might could use just a little more chicken, guys. And this is just shredded up boiled chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken. Whatever chicken you want to, really. A little bit more. So just kind of cook by feel, cook by love. That's how we cook here in the South. It's hard for us to actually recipe up something. Other than, like, I do know I add a cup of sour cream and 1 can of cream of chicken. And then the chicken's just put in by how you want it to look. And I like that look right there. Okay, then we're just going to put it in our casserole dish. Then you want like a 8 by, I think it's an 8 by 12 or something like that, or 9 by 13. Any size right in there will do. You don't want it too thin, you know, because your whole point is having the kind of yummy creaminess of the inside of this. Okay, now we've got it all in there. Let's spread it out. This is going to be so good. Try to get it, you know, fairly even. It don't have to be exactly even. Takes all the fun out of cooking if we have to be exact about everything. Then I've got Ritz crackers. And guys, I've never used any other kind of crackers, so I don't know. I was almost going to have to use club crackers until I thought to send Blue to town to get me some Ritz crackers. My butter's melted over there. And we do have to have butter. I didn't count that as an ingredient, so I guess there's it's a 5 ingredient. But you're just going to sprinkle these things all over the top of this dish. And I've watched shows, guys, and I'll be telling them, no, you need a little bit more over on that other side. You need a little. So I know y'all are probably saying, well, Miss Debbie, you're missing the spot. But I'm trying to get it all covered. And I just had, this is 4 small sleeves. I don't have very much left, so I'm going to just go ahead and put it on there. But it's 4 small sleeves is what I crushed up. If you have the big box, you know, my box is the little short, stocky box, like this. But if you have the big box, then you could do, just kind of making sure they're even around here. Okay, and then all we do, guys, I got 1 stick of butter. And you can pour it on there, but I'm just literally going to use my spoon and kind of do this because I just want to get it all over it. And sometimes when you pour, it's just not as easy to control it, right? But this makes it so yummy. And you could, now I've never done it, you could mix your crackers up in your butter. Wouldn't matter. Wouldn't matter. Doing it like this is still getting them covered. So however you want to do it is fine. And then we're going to bake them in a 350-degree oven for around 25 to 30 minutes. I start checking, when I say 25 to 30, that means I'll start checking mine at about 20. That's just how I do. You know, ovens cook different. I'm still getting used to my oven. So, that's it, guys. Uncovered, bake uncovered, 350 degrees for, like I said, about 25 to 30 minutes. But do like me and go ahead and start checking it at 20, because you never know. You never know how your oven's going to cook, okay? All right. I love you. We'll come back a little later whenever we get lunch ready to eat, and then y'all can see the inside, and we'll do a taste test. All right? There it is, guys. Yummy, yummy. All right. Love you.